Hey guys, how are you doing? Hopefully the weather's nice at your place. I'm just here playing a Euro Truck Simulator 2, the finest truck game I have ever played. I'm currently hauling an excavator, which is 25 whole tons, from Amsterdam to Liège, or Lidge, or whatever you call that. And this job is paying me $7,052, and let's drive, shall we? I'm driving a Renault truck, which is not my favoriteest truck in the world. Let's drive. But I'm currently still in Amsterdam. I just picked up this load not too long ago. So I don't know about y'all, but these stoplights here are bugging me because I'm running every single red light. And the AI ain't too nice either. And it takes forever for the stoplights to turn green, and there we go. See? Every red light. Look at this. Every freaking red light. It's annoying, folks. So here we go. Out of Amsterdam and off to Liège. Now, I hope y'all can tell me this, but I've been watching videos of other accounts, and I'm hoping one of you people that are watching this, or hopefully watching this, can tell me if I can get like different type of trailers, like wide loads or long loads, without using a mod or mods. And I know the trucks and everything else has to be modded. See, at least one AI is nice, and that truck is not. Screw you. But anyway, I'm hoping y'all who are watching this can tell me if I could get different type of trailers, like long loads or high loads or something to that effect, without using a mods, because apparently this computer cannot properly do those without doing virus or doing like lots of ads to do it. So hopefully y'all can tell me. If not, then that's cool. But it's gonna be my birthday in a few days, and this is currently the demo, sadly. But I will be getting the full one in a couple of days when my birthday is here. So likes for that. But let's see. I got fuel. I don't need to sleep. Although in real life I probably do. Okay. Had my other mirror there. There we go. But It's been a nice day here. But like I said, I've been starting out YouTube videos just for, just during the summer and getting pretty bored here. So I'm starting to start off, and hopefully y'all like them. So if you do, I'll post more about this game and a couple of other games. And so there we go. So I am leaving Amsterdam. There I was in LKW. And I'm going to be traveling all the way down here to Liege. And for some reason, which is weird, it's split. It's like North Korea and South Korea. It's like North Liege and South Liege. And so, anyways, it's kind of a long journey. But, nothing I can't handle here. Looks like it's going to be raining soon by the looks of it. It's bad because I hate the rain in this game. It's so laggy with my truck. Yep, here it is. Apparently I have to turn the lights on when it does too. So anyway, what's going on with you guys? How's your summers been going if you're watching this in the USA? How's your summer been going? So mine's been pretty boring, to be honest with you. So anyway, I'm doing this by the keyboard, so it's a little difficult also. But stop here in a sec. Usually when it rains, if there's like a nearest rest stop somewhere like right next to where I am, I would usually like stop to rest and let the rainstorm pass. But I'm gonna stop here, even though it's not a rest stop. It's a shoulder I can stop at. So, even though it's rainy, this is my trailer. Kind of long, but not like that mod type long. And there's my truck. Like I said, it's a demo, so I can't do much yet. Like I said, Renault trucks are not my best. More Scania, Volvo type are my type. So any of you guys different, my bad. Sorry, not what I like. So like I said, it's kind of long, decent. So okay, this is the end of my first video. Hope you all liked it, and I will see you soon.